Hi guys, today we are going to talk about exceptions and errors in JavaScript. And we have special syntax to work with them. So, for example, if I write something wrong, I will get exception, error. And actually I can have a lot of errors in JavaScript, and I can not just if I write something wrong, it just some other situations can throw exceptions, and I can even throw them by myself. I can make it like throw new error, some message, and it will throw this error with some message, as you see, and this script will not work anymore. So uh, this test will not be console logged. But if I use another script, uh, it will work perfectly. So if there's happens some error, what can I do? I can catch it, and to catch it I need to use block try catch, like this, try catch e, and here some console log e, and console log some error happened. Yeah, so I can write it like this, as you see. So I throw some error, and when error was thrown, I catch it. And I can console log or do something with this exception. For example, right now I console log it. So error some message, and I log it here. And also I log it some error happened, like here. And code which was after my error, it runs fine. I can run it. Also, if I commented it, and I will not have any errors here. So this catch will not work. It will not run. So catch runs only when we have some exception, if you catch it like this. Also, I can use block finally with my try. Well, try. Oops. Try doesn't work by itself. I can use with catch or finally. Finally, it's like finally. Console log my finally. Finally, yeah. So now, as you see, I had some error. It was thrown, and even this code didn't run. But finally it works always. It doesn't matter if I throw some exception or not throw, I always run finally. So this is some specific code that always run, no matter what. As you see, my finally works always. Even if I comment this code, anyway it will always work. My finally runs always. Actually, I can use it with catch. So I can catch some exception in my try block. It will catch here, and if it catched, I will log some information about it. And I can have finally block which works always. It works like this. As you see, I have no exception, no error, but finally works perfectly. If I have some exception, I will catch this exception, I log this exception, and then I run my finally. So that's the way how try, catch, and finally works. They just catch on some exception, and you can do something with this exception. Also, I can catch anything. For example, if I write some not existing function, so I can run some function that is not defined. Well, if I run this code, I will catch it too. So as you see, I logged it, I write some error and final. So this is just usual error, and I catch these errors. Uh, but be careful, because for example, you want to run some function and you just write one symbol is wrong, and it will be error and you will catch it. So maybe it's not what you want usually. So you should be careful with working with try catch and finally. Yeah, well, probably that's all what I want to tell you about try catch and finally and how to catch errors. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.